Hello everyone, welcome to another video session class. So today we will continue antiamoebic and antihelminthic drug compound. So today we will study about paromomycin. Okay, so let us start paromomycin. So I am writing paromomycin. Okay, this and sulphate. Okay, why I have written sulphate? Because it is available in sulphate form. Okay, or sulphate salt. So it is an amino glycoside antibiotic. Okay, amino glycoside antibiotic. So where from it is obtained? Let us first discuss. So it is obtained in 1959 by Kofe and his co-worker, Kofe et al. That is his co-worker, from Streptomyces remosus. Okay, Streptomyces remosus. Its variance is Paromomycinus, obtained from soil. Okay, so this is the source. So next we will study about the properties. Okay, so before going to properties, I want to share with you that paromomycin is having close resemblance with neomycin. Okay, neomycin. That is, it is a mixture. It is a mixture of two isomers, two structures. There is paromomycin 1 and paromomycin 2. So isomers means the molecular formula will be the same and there will be the structural difference in the compound. So it is a mixture of two isomers. Okay, and likewise the neomycin is having also mixture of two isomers. Okay, so we will study about the properties. So properties we will study in two segments. This first only for paromomycin. Okay, paromomycin, and next study we will study about the paromomycin sulphate. So first let us start first paromomycin. So it is white in color, then odorless, then amorphous powder. Okay, so it is white in color, odorless, amorphous powder. Next we will study about its solubility. Okay, we will study about its solubility. So it is soluble in water. Okay, so it is soluble in water. Then it is moderately soluble in methanol. Then it is sparingly soluble in absolute alcohol. Okay, it is absolute alcohol. I am writing here. So it is sparingly soluble in absolute alcohol. So this about is solubility. So next again we will study the properties of which one? Paromomycin sulphate. Okay, paromomycin sulphate. Earlier we have studied about paromomycin only. Now we are studying about the paromomycin sulphate. So it is creamy white to light yellow in color. So we have to remember this, light yellow in color. Then it is amorphous powder obviously, and it is hygroscopic in nature, odorless and hygroscopic in nature. Okay, So what is hygroscopicity? That is, it absorbs moisture from the atmosphere. Okay. Next, Paromomycin sulphate. Next, we will see its solubility. So, solubility. So it is freely soluble. It is freely soluble in water. Then practically insoluble in alcohol, chloroform and ether. So you have to remember, it is freely soluble in water, but it is practically insoluble in chloroform, alcohol, then in ether. Okay, so this about its solubility. So next, overall we will see what are the uses of this paromomycin sulphate. Okay, so it is aminoglycoside used for the treatment of intestinal amoebiasis. Okay, intestinal amoebiasis. So we know it is an anti-amoebic drug. It is also used for bacterial diarrhea. Okay, it is used for suppression or lowering of intestinal flora prior to surgery. Okay, so any intestinal surgery if you require, then before to lower the intestinal flora or bacterial flora, you have to use this paromomycin sulphate. Okay, so this is about the uses. Next, after uses, we will see preparations or formulations. What are its preparation and formulations? So as per standard pharmacopoeia, it is paromomycin sulphate capsule as per United States pharmacopoeia. So it is prepared as per United States pharmacopoeia capsule. Okay, paromomycin sulphate capsule. Next, we will see what are the brands. So brands I will give some, rest you have to study from the book. So what are the example of brands? So for example, Paromomycin, then Paromomycin, then Gabrorels, then Gabromycin, etc. So these are the brands which are containing paromomycin sulphate. Okay. Next, the storage condition. So as it is hygroscopic in nature, okay, that means it absorbs moisture from the atmosphere. So we have to keep it in a airtight container. Okay, airtight container. So this is the storage condition. So this is all about the paromomycin sulphate. That is an anti-amoebic drug. So question may be asked like for write short notes on 2-3 marks. Okay, write short notes on paromomycin sulphate or write about its properties. Okay, 2 marks, 3 marks question you may get. So I hope you have understood this paromomycin sulphate. Okay, next drugs will continue in the next video. So thank you.